In this video, I want to introduce an extension that makes it easy for you to record your screen. To do this, just open your browser and type it into the search bar. All you need to do is type Screen Recorder Extension and go to this website. And here, all you need to do is click on Add to Chrome. And click on this section. And here, you can choose your recording type. And here, you can choose the audio source. And here, all you need to do is click on Start Recording and select the screen, tab, or application you want to record. It's now recording. To stop, simply click the Stop button. To save, just click on Save. It's that easy.